Kia ora anō e te whānau, ngā mihi o te rā, tuatahi, kia mau ki te tōkanga nui a noho. Kia mau ki te tōkanga nui a noho, there's no place like home. Tika tēnā ne. Haere mai ki no Frills te Reo Māori. I tēnei wiki, we're going to be looking at the sentence structure where we compare two things. And if you're anything like me, you're going to really enjoy this sentence structure. Hea ha'ai. Nā te mea, you can stand in the middle of any room in your house and practice this sentence structure. You can stand anywhere outside, and as long as you've got two things or a person and a thing or two objects, you can practice this sentence structure. For example, that picture is better than that picture. That book is better than this book. That door is taller than that chair. She is older than him. The dog is faster than the cat. There are thousands of examples. We could go on and on and on. That's why this sentence structure is so exciting. We're going to keep it real. We're going to keep it practical, and most importantly, we're going to keep it simple. So let's head over there now and see what this sentence structure looks like. Alrighty, there's just been a running race, and I want to say to the person next to me, Pita is faster than Tio. I'm going to compare two people in this instance. Describing might go to a he sentence structure ne. Let's look at the board. He tere ake a Pita I a Tio. We remember he, don't we? We've covered that. He hua kiwi, a kiwi fruit. He hua kiwi reka. A sweet, tasty kiwi fruit. He hua kiwi reka tēnei. This is a tasty kiwi fruit. He tere ake. Now with this, we've got the adjective, the describing word, quickly followed by ake, and that's the key. Remembering that ake. I see it as like a truck and trailer. Ake being the trailer, it doesn't leave the describing word. He tere ake a Pita I a Tio. That I separates the two things being compared. So what if we were going to say, let's grab this picture here and put it up here. And grab this picture, and I want to say to you, this picture is bigger than that picture. What would that look like? Well, let's go to our board. We might say, he nui ake tēnei pikitia. I, separating them, tēnā pikitia. Let's say that together. He nui ake tēnei pikitia. I tēnā pikitia. Pai? Let's go to a couple more examples. Sorry to all you cat lovers out there, but what if I was to say the cat is worse than the dog? There'll be no surprises there, will there? Let's go to our board. We might say he kino ake te ngeru I te kuri. What about our fourth example here? If we were to say, this lemon is sweeter than this banana, what would that look like? We'd say, he reka, ne, sweeter, it's tastier. He reka ake te remana I te panana. Kei te pai tēnā. We're going to go to some examples, and I want to get you involved. We're only going to do 4 of them. Once again, we're going to pause the screen, come up with your answer, or check out the description below for the answers, and we'll have some fun. Let's head along to those now. Okay, this is just a good exercise, just to see where we're at. This book is better than this book. What I want you to do, hit pause, come up with the answer in your head, or write it down, release the pause button, and we'll see if we're on the right track. This book is better than this book. Did you come up with he pai ake tēnei puka puka I tēnei puka puka. If not, kei te pai. Don't forget to refer to this. I've just bruised that kiwi fruit. So I'm going to say this kiwi fruit is worse than this kiwi fruit. What did you come up with? Did you come up with he kino ake tēnei hua kiwi I tēnei hua kiwi? And just to redeem myself from that cat comment, what if I was to say the cat is faster than the dog? What do you reckon? Ai, he tere ake te ngeru I te kuri, ne? The cat is faster than the dog. What about a everyday sort of sentence you'd say in te reo Pākehā pia? What if I say, this is better than that? Oh man, by far, this is better than that. This is better than that. What do you reckon? Did you come up with something along the lines of he pai ake tēnei I tēnā? This is better than that. He pai ake tēnei I tēnā. Kei te pai. Alrighty, we'll head into our conclusion and then we'll wrap this up. So we had a look at comparing two things. And we did this by using ake or atu. In this case we focused on ake anake. And of course the I separated the two things being compared. Now, if you don't have that second comparison, an ake after the describing word could be he pakeke ake ia. He is older. He pakeke ake ia. Just having that ake after the describing word. He pakeke ake ia. He is older. Kei te pai. O kia ururoa tia e hoa mā. Kia pai tō wiki a kia pai tō po. Hei kōna.